This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Ybor City. Welcome home. Completely remodeled single-family, ranch-style home, 4-bedroom/2-bath/1 oversized car garage home is tucked away on a dead-end street in Temple Terrace, so no through traffic. The floor plan is efficient and open, wasting no valuable space. Home includes a tile formal dining room as well as a homey living room with beautiful warm-colored laminate floors. Perfect for entertaining. Bright and inviting, this turnkey home offers a spectacular upgraded kitchen with granite countertops, beautiful finished wood cabinets, newer stainless steel appliances, beautiful tile backsplash, all new lighting and GFCI outlets, and window over the sink for view out back and offers natural lighting. Spacious Master Bedroom features an ensuite bathroom with a double sink, vanity and granite. There are 2 closets off the hallway for all your linens and storage needs. The home is currently fully furnished and could be sold turnkey if needed. All new AC duct work, vent covers, air handler, and condenser were installed at the end of 2018. Both bathrooms have been extensively remodeled with upgraded counters and vanities, cabinets, new fixtures and beautiful tile work. Other 3 bedrooms are ample as well and roomy. It has an indoor laundry room with plenty of space for storage. Newer tile flooring is featured throughout most of the home, and new plush carpeting is located in bedrooms. New paint inside and out and new double-pane hurricane-rated windows. Large sliding glass doors from the family room lead to a gorgeous fenced backyard with deck and paved patio. Great outdoor space for family gatherings, perfect for pets or a pool someday. This beautiful home is conveniently located to USF, Busch Gardens, downtown Tampa, Ybor City, Brandon, Riverview, 2 miles to Adventure Island, shopping, nightlife, restaurants and more. Hurry over, make an offer today. For more information, review the details below or contact Ybor City at 801-918-7745.